see the bit say my
We are no filters on our faces, no filters on our faces. Yeah. So like I said in the intro, I'm coming at the camera. Why are you just flicking with her? We're away. We're currently in a secret location. No, we're not. We're in Manchester. So we've been doing this like little Caribbean thing, you know what I'm saying? What? Today we can't do it. Well, we could, but we couldn't find nowhere. So what we got, Mum? Show me the bag. Show me the bag. Yeah, boy, Wingstop. You know what I'm saying? When away, you got to try these things, innit?
I don't know what's in what.
Let's get this.
You get them out, man.
A lot. So we've got fries each. One's are seasoned, one's are not. So yours is plain. They're yours. Wait, they all look plain as well.
Ooh, they look seasoned.
Yeah, they look seasoned.
Then
we got.
Look at this
some
chip.
wings.
Dead, bro. Dead.
Yeah, but we have just had to get it delivered. Oh, look. See this, yeah? This tiny burger. What's the cost, you know? Ranch dip, because you've got to do it.
This looks nice. Is this Momish?
Honey mustard.
The same?
I don't know. We have the same burger. And then, let's have a look. I don't know.
That's mine because it's a barbecue. Did you have barbecue as well? I can see the barbecue on it, Mish.
Yeah, that's yours. Oh, wait. Yeah, they're mine. So I've gone for the Korean.
So, like I said, I told you all know that I
Louisiana rub.
I don't eat takeaway more than some at all.
Wingstop style. That good as no.
This is a big. I've never been to Wingstop before. This is the first time. Oh, look at this.
What?
Cheers, I tell you what, cheers.
I heard nothing but good things about this bad boy.
And this is why I don't eat takeaway food. It's cold, which is number one. Why did we order any drinks?
Oh my god. That's next level.
I'm not,
honey mustard. Same. I'll try that as well. Nice coating on the chip. Oh wow.
What's that one?
Ranch. I think he's dripping all over my iPad actually.
No.
So this is just like a quick check-in.
We just want to say hello, guys, and tell you that we haven't abandoned you. It's cause we are away for something that you all know about later. All right, so we're gonna say hiya.
See ya. Bye. No, give her one more. But why not make sure? I love